What do you think? Wishes to Miss Lolet of Chiche.
A 40-year-old, not virgin.
What do you comment?
Best wishes.
Why?
Good health.
Good health.
Wealth. More babies.
And fame. Ano, Miss
Baka
Lolet, ito yung fan mo?
Thank you lahat. Thank you sa inyo lahat.
Okay,
Yung
fine.
40 years old.
40 years old, virgin. Yeah.
Bakit nakuha bumbulan ni Che?
Yeah.
Bumbulan.
Okay, fine.
Tingnan natin.
I-convert ko to sa BCD, pwede to eh.
Ano ba yun? Alright. Sige, Mike!
Charge, free of charge yan.
Kaya mo kay Miss Lalit.
Yeah. Okay, stop ko na.